Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a beautiful orange crochet. This is perfect for beginners. It's simple, fun, and a great way to relax. So grab your orange yarn, crochet hook, and let's get started. Materials needed: orange yarn, crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. Step number 1: making a slip knot. First we are going to start with a slip knot. Take the yarn and make a loop. Then pull the yarn through the loop and tighten it on your hook. Now you are ready to crochet. Step number 2: making the foundation chain. Now we will create a foundation chain. For this tutorial, let's make 20 chains. Yarn over your hook and pull it through the loop. Keep doing this until you have 20 chains. Don't pull too tight. You want your chains to be loose and even. Step number 3: single crochet stitch. Once your foundation chain is done, we will start with the single crochet stitches. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's your first single crochet stitch. Step number 4: continuing the row. Keep doing single crochets across the row. Remember to keep your tension even. At the end of the row, you should have 19 single crochets. Step number 5: turning the work. Now turn your work to start the next row. Chain 1 and repeat the same process. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Continue this across the row. Step number 6: repeating the rows. Keep making rows of single crochet stitches. For this project, I shall be making 10 rows, weaving in the ends. Now we will weave in these ends conclusion. And that's it. You have just made a beautiful orange crochet piece. You can use this as a coaster, a small cloth, or add more rows. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Happy crocheting. Thank you so much for watching.